Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In this video I am talking about how to install Litchi officially on the DJI Crystalsky monitor, because yesterday they officially announced you can now purchase Litchi and install it on the Crystalsky. Now, as before, Crystalsky does not have the Google Play Store, so what Litchi have done is uploaded their app to the Amazon App Store, and you can download and install the Amazon App Store on your Crystalsky device, and you are then able to purchase Litchi officially and install it and use it with your DJI aircraft. So to install Litchi, the first thing we need to do is install the Amazon App Store. The easiest way to do that is via the Fly Litchi website itself. First of all, you need to go onto your applications, then click on your browser, and then navigate to the website flylitchi.com/crystalsky. So as I have already been here before, if I type F, you can see that it already appears, and the link for this is in the description for this video as well. You click on that and it takes you to the how to install Litchi on DJI Crystalsky page on the Litchi website. Now it takes you through the process, but the basics are as follows. You scroll down a little bit and it says tap here to install the Amazon App Store. So we do that. It then takes us to the Amazon App Store for Android downloads page. Now there is some information on here about using it with third parties and being able to install unsigned applications. You don't need to worry about any of that on the Crystalsky itself. You simply click Get Amazon App Store, and it will take you to the downloads page where it will say it will download it to your device. Now I have actually found that it doesn't necessarily do it every time. You actually are better clicking the retry download button, and that definitely kicks the download off. Once you've done that, it will begin to download the Amazon app in the background. To see this, you simply click on your third button down to go to your quick menu, and you will actually see that it is downloading it, and on this occasion it's actually done it twice for me. To install it, you then simply click on the Amazon APK file, and it gives you the normal Android installation screen. You then click Next, Next, Install, and this will install the Amazon App Store on your Crystalsky device. You can then simply click Done or Open. I will click Done on this one. Once on the main landing page, you can click on your applications and you will see that the Amazon App Store is listed in the top corner. Open that, and this will now allow you to install any applications via the Amazon store. And Litchi have uploaded their app to this store as well, so you can now download it. If you already have an Amazon account, you would simply click sign in, or if you haven't got one, you would click create new account. I'm just going to sign into mine. Once you have signed into your Amazon App Store, it will take you to the Amazon homepage. From here, you simply search for the app Litchi, and you will see it is now listed as available to purchase for $19.99 in the UK. To install it, you would simply just click on Purchase, Buy Now, and that would then install Litchi officially on your Crystalsky device. Overall, it is that simple, and you can now have Litchi officially on Crystalsky without having to mess about, and that is it.
Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you've liked what you've seen, please do subscribe to the channel. On screen are some of the companies that make the products that I use on a daily basis and I personally recommend. Some of these companies have also supported the channels over the years as well. If you would like to purchase from DJI, for instance, there are some links in the description for this video. For the ones who are not, please do go to their website and check out some of their products, because they really do make some fantastic gear. Again, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll do another video again soon.